Well, welcome back to Langford Lakes once again. Thought I'd come down here on a nice sunny afternoon, although it's very chilly. I did talk to somebody in the car park just as I was making my way down to this far hide, and he said there was some kestrels around. Now, I haven't actually seen any yet, but just when I got here, there's a few tufted ducks, and I haven't shot a tufted duck before, so I'm hoping I can get some nice close-ups. They're still far away. They're over at the far side of the lake at the moment, which means that I'm right out at 500 mil and they're hardly showing up on the screen at all. And it's just dived again. So I'm hoping they might work their way closer. In the meantime, I'll show you what I've got so far. There's a nice group of 3 or 4 of them at the moment I'm watching, but they keep diving. And once they're underwater, they swim while they're underwater, so you're not sure where they're going to pop back up, which makes it very difficult. So let's just hope that they do work their way down towards this end of the pond. Welcome back to Langford Lakes. It's now just into March and we're a lot later in the day now, so hopefully we'll catch some of the birds at dusk feeding. So just got to get myself ready. Head off to the hide. Just have a look at this first lake, see if there's anything here before we head down to the far hide. One solitary swan dipping. Wow. All we can hear at the moment is the geese. Quite a walk to the far hide, so I'll see you down there. By the sounds of it, we're just in for some more geese along here. Anyway, let's go and see what we can see in the hide. Not too far now. Well, plenty of ducks and geese, not much else at the moment. I've seen tufted ducks, look like mallards, possibly teal. I'll have to do some identification when I get home. They look like teal to me, but I'm not 100% certain. Not the best bird identifier. But it's a glorious tufted duck really close. Let's get a shot of you. You've dipped. Where's your mate? There he is. Come on. Come on, sideways on, that's it. Oh. Did I catch you? Just, yes. female of some kind, judging by the pale brown colouring. We've still got about half an hour before sunset, so there might be some action. Now, last time I was here, I met a chap called Mark Cooper, who has his own YouTube channel. Excellent one. You should, if you like channels on bird photography, you should definitely watch his channel. It's called Camilla and I. I'll put a link in the description. Now, last time I was here, like I say, I met Mark and we were chatting, and I left because I had something else to get to, and he stayed on. And he managed to get some teal flying, and he managed to get a barn owl round about dusk. So I'm hoping that the owl is still kicking around here, and I might just be able to get a shot. Now that looks like a shoveler. Oh yes, those are definitely teal. So we've got tufted ducks, teal, shoveler, and coots, and loads of Canada geese. I was also sort of hoping that this time of night with the insects out, the fish might be coming for insects and the kingfishers might be coming for the fish. Well, it's about 10 minutes to sunset. The sun must have gone down below those trees over there. It is starting to get really dull, and the shots are taken at about ISO 12,800. So Topaz denoise is going to come in handy. Well, that's been a fantastic hour or so. Really enjoyed that. And I've had to hide to myself the whole time. Just goes to show you, if you want to catch them, you come at the right time. Anyway, let's head back to the car, head home and have something to eat. Mustn't forget to close the windows. Well, I know it doesn't really look like it here, just the last glow of red in the sky up ahead, but it's actually quite dark now, so I'm really pleased that there's a footpath the whole way that I can follow, because I stupidly forgot my head torch, didn't I? Ah well. There is a million seagulls. Let me see if I can show you them. I don't know whether you can make that out, but the whole surface of this lake is just covered in roosting white birds. Oh, what a fantastic evening. Shovelers, teals, mallard, tufted duck. Goodness only knows what else I saw and didn't shoot. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these 3 trips it was down to Langford Lakes over the winter period. And now we're coming into spring, so we should hopefully be able to see a few more species of bird down here over the next few months. So I will definitely come back And if I do, keep watching. And the only way to find out about that is to subscribe and click that notification bell, and it'll tell you when I release a new video. Thanks very much. See you on the next one.